Are you ready to make some money with me, guys? Of course, I think the answer is yes. So let's get right to it and see the 5 stock we're gonna talk about right now, the price level, where you get in, where you get out, every strategy that you have to have in order to secure your profit and as well to reload if the price go down on this technical areas for those stocks. First off, we're gonna talk about prog, and prog is still in the number one, the most short squeeze stock on Reddit, subreddit. Okay, so if we go here, guys, and talk what's going on, we talked about it in the last video. If you watch my videos, guys, as said, this is a most important ascending line for prog, and we should hold. Why you should ask? We should hold this level because we respect it so many times. 1, 2, 3 times, okay, and the third times there's no test, okay, a gap. So this is show us this was important level for our insiders, okay. That's why there's no test and the price went down. And right now if we go in this just in the 4-hour candle, 1-hour candle, look what happened. We have a candle close and we have a wick testing the resistance again, which was support before, as I said, guys, the $3.38. And right now we have a barcoding. The price went without volume right now. So what we should expect for prog? Right now we have a clear resistance, the $3.38. I expect the price to go below again around this level of support, and the last support kind of around our exponential average, which is, let me just calculate it for you guys, around the $2.87 here. Because if we don't hold this level of support around our exponential average, we gonna see the price plummeting around the $2.67 first, then the $2.21. Okay, just mark those prices, because here we're gonna see a midway like level of support. Because if you see, this is channel is upside channel, okay. There's another channel will form here, okay. This will be a consolidation or refueling or charging for our price before we gonna see upside momentum again. If we hold, we need to hold around the $2.20 and the $2.67 when we visit this area, okay. This is a kind of after 2 weeks or 1 month kind of analysis, guys. If you want to a lot of you ask me a lot of analysis in the far future, so you could see what's going on, okay. So this is kind of a bit of in the future, and again we still not visited yet because we still consolidating and testing for the market. I will update you guys about this, so hit the notification so you never miss my future update about prog. The next one we have Sensionic. Look what's going on with Sensionic. We got rejected perfectly around the $4.13 as we predicted in the last video when I told you guys we need to break this ascending line. We break it, okay, and we tested from above, then boom, we have the buying pressure. However, we still have the resistance around the $4.13, which is the only resistance that we have in order to see the $5.48. However, right now we have a really good indication for good indication that we're still holding above this line and above this support, okay. So far so good for Sensionic. If we hold the $3.65 in order to retest the $4.13, which is the squeeze area, we need to hold it, guys, because you see we still have our exponential average coil down on us and act as double support with this support, the $3.65. The next one we have BlackBerry, guys. Okay, for BlackBerry there is something interesting being cooking, guys, okay. There's something really good. First off, we have kind of a double support around the $12.12. As I said before, the $12.12 is the last resistance for BlackBerry. However, right now we went down because we have a selling pressure. The last support I can see that will have will charge fully for BlackBerry if we just hold this ascending line as well for this one, really important, and this support which is around the $9.63. This is the last support to confirm that we have the general uptrend is still holding for BlackBerry. As you can see here, we're still uptrending. Even we have this kind of momentum down until the 8, but we're still holding above the $8. And then we went down until the 9, but we're still doing higher lows, and we get rejected around the 12. However, right now at 10, we need to hold this time above the 10. If we hold, perfect, guys. This time we're gonna see the 15 after we break this level of 12. This is crazy good. Right now I'll watch this one really like patiently, and at the same time I will be hunting around this technical area, and hopefully we'll be bought back pretty soon, sooner rather than later. The more that we like have a bounce before even here will be perfect. Right now we have a bit of holding up because we have our exponential average. This would be a perfect bounce if we bounce right there right now. If not, it's still good because we still have this ascending line. Okay, the next one we have bbig. We have a lot of questions from you guys about bbig because a lot of you got caught around this area, buying here and buying here. So just have patience right now, guys. bbig kind of have the last bottom for bbig to confirm that we gonna explode again. Okay, this will be a charging point right now for bbig because I can see the volume changing for bbig, and will happen pretty soon if we just hold this last momentum or last support for bbig, guys. Trust me, this would be great bounce if we just have the bounce here and hold above the $4. We don't need any candle close below the $4. This will guarantee the price will explode at least for the $6 pretty soon for this month. Okay, the next and the last stock we have is QuantumScape. QuantumScape is just kept our resistance level. As I said, guys, the last time we reviewed QuantumScape, I told you 32.34 to hold. Even we been consolidating down. I got question from our hunters and Patreon, and like asking if we gonna rebound. Of course, because we're still holding this level. I said it's still holding this level, which is above the 32. That's why we see a buying pressure here. Right now, we're gonna see a test for the resistance, which is the 40, and then the 51 will be the next target. 51.70 if we clear the 40.53. Mark this price up, put a notification. Okay, really important, put a notification, guys, and join us in the Hunter Tribe in Patreon in the comment section below if you want. Request a stock for your favorite stock, because we have a lot of requests in stock around YouTube. So we have a special place for you guys because you ask for review for your stock. Just check it, Patreon will be happy to review it for you. And again, you could have access to our Discord channel. And as again, guys, be patient and never force the trade. If you force the trade, you be emotional to the trade, and this is what happened to you. What you be emotional trading, this will be like avalanche to do more mistakes. So stop doing trade if you felt that you emotionally connected to any trade. Okay, just stop trading. Then you trade with clear mind the next day when you don't have this emotion attached to this trade. Okay, take it as an example, even in real life. If you have emotion connected to anything, this will make you make bad judgment. Okay, really important stuff, guys, and will save you a lot of money. And again, that's why I'm here. I'm trying to save you money, guys. I'm trying to make you learn with me, not just give you signals and buy here and sell there. You have to learn by yourself, and in order to make it as like a skill, you could make money with not just one day on one trade, but in the long run, because investment is a marathon, guys, not sprint. Okay, see you guys in the next update.